Jain friends, today it's regarding animals. In this lockdown, I hope you all of you are safe and be staying at home. So guys, 3 3rd May 2020, the lockdown has been extended to 3 May 2020, and in this time period animals are unable to arrange the food. They are also human dependent for their food somehow, our street animals. So it's our moral responsibility to arrange the food for them. But how? I will explain. First thing, you will have to stay home, okay? But because whatever be the state you have, in which state you are, in which street, in which city, in which village you are, there is a time period allotted to us for purchase the groceries, the vegetables and fruit. So you just have to wear the mask. Please keep the social distancing at that time, and keep 2 to 3 rotis for the animal, mostly dogs in India. The street animals are dogs, but it depends in which location or in which area you are. There are more other animals also, like monkeys, cats, cows, many more. So please guys, this is our moral responsibility to arrange the food for them, and hope you all of you will do that. As poor people is concerned, if you are able to do that, to help them, to provide the food, do. But our government is doing very good job. They are doing their best. Our government is providing the food also, some groceries also, and that is free of cost also. So our government is doing very good job. But for the animals, it is our responsibility. And the second thing I want to say, for the birds, you will have to uh, I'm going to explain, like I do it on regular basis. In the morning I pour some water. I have a bowl of steel, and one is plastic, so I will replace that also with another bowl. So I just poured some water, and around 11 a.m. or 1 p.m. I put 2 to 3 ice cubes, because in it's summer time, and water get heated easily. So to reduce the heat, I put some ice cubes, and keep them in shadow, right? And at a place where our birds easily, you know, use that. And third thing, food for birds, you can give some rice or some pulses, like roasted pulses, okay, biscuits, anything else, roti, sabji, whatever. Small pieces, not a big piece, small pieces. You will feel very energetic after doing that. And the people who are doing these things on regular basis, hands off to you, all of you. And who is not, please do that. You will feel very good. And in today's world, people, we are forgetting these etiquettes. I will say, in ancient India, it's our part of life. But today's, we are getting, we are so busy with us. It's but it's not good thing. So right now it's our responsibility to do that, and hope all of you will do that. And to arrange the food for animal, for whenever you go outside. Try to be stay at home, but whenever you go outside, keep 2 to 3 rotis for them. This, and for my first campaign, I want to say, you can watch my first priorities. This time the priority is to fight with corona, and after that, My priority is Save the Country 1.6e, Save the Country 1.5e. You can watch that video, you will get the details. And if you want to know why should you do that thing, then you can watch Rising Time, you will get all the information. And if you want to watch in Hindi, then you can watch Desh Bachao 1.5h, Jai Bharat Part 1. Be a part of this campaign. Jai Bharat Part 2. You will get all the details also in Hindi. And recently I have uploaded uh, the video by the name of Crackers. That is my second campaign, and that is related to the Deepavali, to boycott crackers, because it is very important. I know Deepavali is the huge festival of India, the North India mostly, but it's not like that only by just firing crackers we can celebrate Deepavali. No. So, and the second thing, crackers, they just pollute our environment, they harm our children, our senior citizen, our air, our animals, our birds, everything. Two night of Deepavali by just firing crackers, and it's like 1 month lockdown. It's like that, because the air is getting so polluted in that time, we can't able to breathe. Not today, in future it will be done. I mean, government will do something, but why should not from today? Take a step for the betterment and do that. Do not fire any cracker, and please share my video so that people will get aware. We know that it's not a good thing, but awareness is very important. So guys, thank you so much for giving the time, and hope you will do that. Whatever I have said, it's my just a request, not any order, and it's our moral responsibility also. Thank you so much. Be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.